देखिए मैं आ गया हूँ भगवान की बुद्ध धरती पर, भगवान की धरती पर भूपेश गुप्त कॉलेज में। और मैं बात करना चाहूँगा, आज कल गणतंत्र दिवस है और उसके उपलक्ष्य में हमारे सामने हैं भूपेश गुप्त इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज के अंग्रेजी विभाग के विभागाध्यक्ष माननीय भरत जी। और मैं उनसे चाहूँगा कि कल का जो दिन है क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है, इम्पोर्टेंस है। तो व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ रिपब्लिकन डेज? बिफोर द डिस्कशन आई वांट टू योर introduction.
My name is Bharat Singh. I am lecturer of English in Bhupesh Inter College. Republic Day is a gala day. It is celebrated on 26 January. But after a long period, we also celebrate under British government. When India became free on 15 August 1947. And our leaders have also thought that we should also perfectly make a constitution. So it is also made 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, and it is also established by the Bhim Ambedkar, who have written these constitutions. And after a long time, we celebrate this festival as the much pump hours.
What is the main roles in Republican Day of some names?
The most important role of the Republic Day are also Dr. Bhim Ambedkar, but it has also the presidents Dr. Bhim Ambedkar as well as Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Nehruji, but it has also written by the Dr. Bhim Ambedkar, and it is also one of the esteemed and religious book in all the religion in our country, and it teaches us that how can we spend our life and how can we do every work which depend our own work, that is called constitution.
What is the real concept of the Constitution of India?
The real conceptions of the Constitution of India is only to see the rule over the country, but it has imitated many countries, and after that it returned. But it has also outdoor, and Ambedkar, who never attention that as the leaders who also became any leader who should be also any degree, but without any degree, without any study, many uneducated person, crowd person who also become leader, and they never thought how can rule and how can to do any work. So it has also backward of our own rule and the rule of the constituency.
What is the demerit and merit of Indian Constitution?
It is also merit that it is also esteemed and powerful constitution of the world, and it also teaches us that how to spend our life very pump hours, and we must do every work without any restrictions. But it is also demerit that an uneducated and many clown person, many robber and dacoit and weak person will also become the leader. It's by the impression of the citizen. They also thought only their family, not thought for the member of the publicity or their state or their country. So it also given the demerit that we must attention how can do and how can solve the very problems. So leaders should perfectly for the merit. At the same, there are many vacancies which are also established by the competition. At the same, every leader must be also competitive examination. Either competition leader also success, they will also become the leader of MP, MLA, or headman or any leader of the country.
According to you, what is the minimum qualifications of electrical voters?
No, electoral voters are no any merit. It has no
Minimum qualifications.
It has no any qualifications. But we also know that any
According to you,
any voter who have not any qualification, but the leader must be also qualified and qualification. Every vacancy will depend on the competition, so leader must be also took out the vacancy of the leadership. It has also qualification, such as a leader who also want to become MP, they must be also success MA. But as the leader who also want to become MLC, they must be more than graduation. And any leader of belong to the headman, Mukhiya, who also must be success graduation or intermediate. Voter is not in qualification. Voter only study of their own conceptions. But we are much irrigated. We are not study much. So we perfectly attention that how can vote our own sense. We should never attention of any caste system. We see that a large number of leaders who also belongs to caste system. And they only help of the caste, not for another. So as the leader should not vote for the constituency of their own citizenship.
What is the literacy? What is the literacy rate before the 1947?
The literacy of 1947 more than 32%. It is also written in the history.
Indian?
Yes, Indians. But some family who have also educated, and a large number of family never educated, but also understand about the situation of the country. But some person who have also studied is depend of their own genetics. So we never accuse guilty to himself and our genetics. We must to see about the background of the nation when India become free. As the leader who also become head of the country, never attention how can we study and how can success your life. It's only to show that we must rule over the country, not for become another person who also rule over the country.
Who is more corrupt, literate person or illiterate person?
It's never depend of the corruption, literate and illiterate. It's depend of their own sense. We know that every person come and go away from this world, but their reputation also sing a song by every person. As the corruption person who also loot the much property of the nation, they are also seen everywhere as the part of the looter, robber. They have also abused and accused and evicted and evil by the citizen of the country. So man should perfectly show their work here only full of the reputation, not for the rob or loot any property of the country.
If arises to censor of corrupted persons in India, we find that more corrupt and illiterate person compared to illiterate person. The more dishonest of the literate person and comparison to illiterate person. Are you agree?
Yes, it depends on man's own sense. Sense is only one article which also teach the lesson of the purified. But the nonsensical person was educated, but their mind is nonsensical, never success in their own life. It's depend of their own rob. It is also clear that uneducated person will never understand what is purified and what is guilty. It's depend of their own sense. But the educated person was a rob, loot the property of the country. It is that who also know the rule of the constituency, rule of the every part of the constituency. But why who also rob the property of the country? It's depend of their own rob, loot and corrupted. But we can never accuse, we can never blame any uneducated person who also rob the property of the country. But it is also teach that we must attention how can do our own work. It's depend our own sense. If sense is good, we can do every work in good sense. If our sense is bad, weak and evil, we can never do every work in bad and good sense.
What is the merit of civilized societies and what is the demerit of uncivilized societies?
Civilized society and a product with a good conduct. If a good conduct was a product, but the civilization is also the bad. It's also conduct bad sense. It's depend our own work. Civilization also teach us that we must complete and do every work with the sense of the purify, not the dirty. So we never blame every work of the civilization, because civilization also teaches that how can do every work is depend our good sense. But as the uncivilized person who also study much, and who also got the high level civilization, but they have never knowledge about the purified work of their own work. Therefore, their work also defined the much uncivilized. So, civilized also going on the good conduct, and uncivilized also going on the bad conduct.
Civilized system is the religious or non-religious?
No, religious and non-religious, it depends one's own sense. Religious also teach the lesson of the love with humanity, but any religious, it also teach the lesson of the caste, so it's never teach the real part of the religion. Love with humanity is one of the greatest and most important lesson of the religion. But we see that only religion which also teach the lesson of the God and Goddess. But we see that love is God and God is love, so we must attention for every work which also go on the sense of God. Therefore, God is love and love is God.
What is the main reason of corruption?
It is not many reason. It is only the ambitious of one's own much work. It's depend one's own greedy. Greedy is the center of the corruption. If man also see, watch and create that, greedy also lost our merit, lost our credit, and lost our own part of the life. So man never go on the greedy. Greedy is the center of the corruption. But a large number of leaders, large number of popular leaders, many honorable persons also passed away from this earth. They never attention only part of the corruption. Because money is no importance, only reputation is important. It is also said that as in the family, and family also running with the much starvation and famine, and we also celebrate out of the door. It is also the bad sense of any part of the corruption. Therefore, we should never the work of the corruption. We must attention how can growth and how can purify everywhere the work of the sense for the development of our own life.
Religion the main cause of corruption.
Yes, religion is the main part of the corruption, but it depends on man's own sense. It is only one-sided statement that only Brahman who also become the main hero of the religion, and who is the main worshipper. But it had not given. God is Almighty. It is its process for every person, every creature who also belongs to the symbol of the God. So every person must worship for every God, and God is Almighty, but every man is the symbol of God. Their reputation work also denotes us that how can become the part of the God. So worship is also teach our own lesson that if our work is good, it is the symbol of the worship. If our work is bad, it is symbol of the devil. So we must complete do every work that is full of the purified.
Who
It
is the
also
symbol of knowledge?
knowledge is the part of
Who
the,
is symbol of knowledge?
who is symbol of knowledge. Knowledge is Almighty.
Symbol of knowledge is the called the Bhimrao Ambedkar.
No. It is not clear that Bhima Ambedkar will have so much knowledge. A large number of persons, large number of learned persons also come
In
and
that
go
person
away.
is not qualified as
It is also,
the
you have also
Ambedkar's.
studied the books of the yoga and books of the Karma Yoga and sacred work which is written by the Swami Vivekananda. Every word was imitated and work and see every thought of the Swami Vivekananda. Who have also given the work of the metaphysical. Metaphysical work teaches us that
Metaphysics.
metaphysical, that is called metaphysics. It teaches us only work. Work is the symbol of worship. Every man is symbol of God. Every man is symbol of deity. They come here and complete every work for the development of the society. As a person who loves every creature, every insect also belong in this world. That man is called the symbol of the God. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also symbol of the God and who have also teach the lesson of humanity. And he also gives that must attention only part of the study. Without study, we can never search any called merit or that is called demerit.
And lastly, we want to the some about the Indian national flags.
Indian national flag was established by the work of our constituency. It is also pump hours and we also celebrate every part with the help of our own mind, and it is also celebration of our national festival. It is called that there are two main festivals in our country, that is called Independence Day and it is also called Republic Day. But the Indian flag, it teaches about the part of the purify, love and work. It is also symbol of the growth in our own life. Therefore, we must love our own national flag and must flag it everywhere on any festival that is called national festival.
Thank you. All the best.
Thanks. 1 minute.